Hi, I'm Patty Hamilton. I'm with Hamilton Consulting Solutions Corporation, and I'm a virtual client of OMG. Hamilton Consulting Solutions is a management consulting firm. We do project change knowledge management, as well as independent validation, verification, and software testing, training, IT support, and we also have an electronics division, which we manufacture small electronics, power supplies, cables. But our main core is project management for the federal government and state. We're SWAM certified, we're EDWOSB certified, and which is Woman-Owned Small Business. And our clients range from the Navy, U.S. Navy, U.S. Army. We also have a NASA contract, and we are located in Chesapeake, Virginia. What I like about OMG is it really has helped my company with the physical address. Doing federal contracting work, you often cannot even bid on proposals if you have a home address or a post office box. So this opened our doors. It gave us a lot more versatile opportunities to look at. It's been wonderful having somebody answer my phone. It's so much more professional having somebody else answer your phone, sending, the voicemails, having the office space to have meetings instead of Starbucks, and spending a lot of time and money on taking people out to lunch. It's really economically better for us, and we also really like the flexibility of using OMG I've used them for brochures, for typing up large documents when we're in crunch time on a proposal. So they're there for you. It's like having a whole office staff at your fingertips without having to pay their salaries. So we are very fortunate to have Sandy and her team with OMG to support us, because they are truly our support staff.